Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today let's bake a visually stunning and delicious treat, the soft and stripy zebra cake without using an oven. Let's get started. Take 3 eggs into a bowl and beat for 1 minute. Always beat the eggs and sugar until light for a fluffier cake. Zebra cake gets its name from the bold stripe pattern that looks like zebra lines. Add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and beat until the sugar fully dissolves. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Now pour in half cup of oil and mix it all well. This cake is a favorite Eastern Europe and now trending in kitchens worldwide. Take 1 and 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve it into the wet mixture and mix gently. Avoid overmixing after adding flour to keep the cake soft. It's a fun way to teach kids about patterns while baking. Each slice gives you a surprise of strips. No two are exactly the same. Divide the batter into 2 equal parts. In one portion, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix until smooth. Grease a 6-inch cake mold with oil and place a baking paper. Now for the zebra effect, pour a spoonful of vanilla batter in the center. Then pour a spoon of chocolate batter right on top. Repeat this layering process until all batter is used. Use a spoon or piping bag to layer the batter neatly for perfect strips. Eggs add protein and a moderate slice is great with tea. You can swap sugar with coconut sugar for a healthier option. Use a stick to make a beautiful pattern on top. This cake uses oil instead of butter, making it lighter. Homemade means no preservative or artificial coloring. Place a pan on the stove with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold inside and cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Cool down before slicing. Your soft and beautiful zebra cake is now ready. Cut into it and reveal those stunning stripes. Every bite is a mix of vanilla and cocoa delight. Did you enjoy this no oven zebra cake recipe? Like, share and comment with your favorite part. Don't forget to subscribe to Innoven Foods for more unique bakes and desserts. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.